Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. So, to start the day out, we have core PPI, just an hour before market open. So, we should see the effects of that here in actually about 30 minutes from me recording this. And about 30 minutes after market open, we get consumer sentiment. And I just want to take this time to say yesterday was a bloodbath. It's very well possible that can continue, but it is also very well possible that things could reverse, that it was a much needed sell off, and that we could reverse back to the upside. So today it's going to be important to wait and play things level to level. Wait for confirmation. Wait to see what the market wants to do. If you trade at market open, there's almost always a quick fake out. So maybe wait the first 15 to 30 minutes to make a trade. But ultimately, what you do is you. Going on looking at earnings, today we got JP Morgan pre-market. We got Wells Fargo pre-market Citi. So we're starting to get bank earnings. So now instead of just looking at all the economic data, we are also going to start getting earnings announcements too, which can have the effect on how stocks move. For instance, when we see banks announcing earnings gives insight into how they're doing, and that can move the rest of the market. So just be aware of that. Goldman Sachs on Monday, BlackRock. Beyond that, I wouldn't say there's too much to watch beyond that. Now going on and looking at the charts. So to start the day, we have the QQQ. At the time of this recording, I'm going to throw the next level of resistance up at 495, and support is going to be right here at about 491 or 490.70. And the way one will play this is there's also another level of resistance right here, but I'm going to put support and resistance to be a little bit safer. I'm going to put support down here and resistance up here. Going on looking at the SPY. The SPY is in the demand zone. I'm looking for it to return back up to this level. Is it going to do it today? Don't know. But there is also a 1 hour supply zone right here at about 461. So we will see how that plays out. Going on looking at Tesla. Tesla broke this trend line, sold off pretty heavy. I have a level of support being right here at about 231.50, about 232. And if it breaks below that, there is this trend line right here, which would kind of fall around the 227 to 25 area. Below that, a next level of support is down here at 210. So if you see Tesla pulling back, if you see Tesla moving, hey, you'll see this trend line right here is going to be the real test. So if we hold up, that means we're still here. But once again, there is a demand zone right here. Going on, looking at Palantir. Looking at Palantir, support is going to be right here about around $27. Resistance is going to be right here around, we'll say around 27.70. We kind of broke through that demand a little bit. That was on a 1 hour chart. The next level, the next demand zone is going to be about right here at the $26 range. So if Palantir comes down to 26, that's the next buy zone. And also if we break below 27, holding below 27 is also game for more downside or down to this 26 level. Going on looking at Amazon. Amazon broke through this and found support right here at 294. If Amazon falls below this, next level support is right here at about 293. Also a demand zone. So it looks like Amazon could be back on its way up potentially. Amazon could be back on its way up potentially. And Amazon has done a lot of time at this 200 level. So hey, it would not surprise me if Amazon actually recovered from here and made new highs. Going on looking at Nvidia sold off from this little range and is now trading at resistance. Resistance is going to be right here at $28 and support is going to be right here at $26. So yeah, that's resistance and that's support. Then next level of just resistance is going to be about $30 and next level of support is going to be about, and last but not least, Hey, once again, here we are looking at the Dixie, the US dollar. As this goes down, stocks typically go up, and it came down a lot yesterday, along with stocks. This leads me to believe, unless when we get the data this morning, we get data today, unless this starts coming back up, this leads me to believe that in the coming days, the market is going to head more to the upside. Be sure to smash the like button. That is your watch list for the day. Let's get this bread, family.